I have a 2009 Toyota Prius. I'm going to show you how to fix this bezel. So a lot of times these break, the connectors right here break off, and that makes this piece, this little bezel piece, not work. I'm going to show you how to fix that. And I'm going to link what I use to fix it in the description. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this piece off right here. Usually I just get a flathead screwdriver, stick it in, and then pull it off. Okay, so I removed this. It just has all those teal colored retaining clips. So you just pop it off. From there, we're gonna go in here. 4 screws we need to remove. There's that one. There's that one in there. These are all 10 millimeters. One right there, and then one right here. So we're gonna remove those. Okay, so I got all those removed, and I put all the pieces over here. Be sure to save these pieces. And then there's this piece right here. We're gonna unhook that, pull this out, and pull that out. So now we have this piece, and we can go about fixing it. So grab all these pieces and your bezel, and I'll show you what to do. Okay, so this is what I'm using to glue these pieces together. I lost the top to this, so I just had to use that because I still have some left. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna mix this. I already put these pieces on. I didn't glue them down. Sometimes I super glue them. I don't have any super glue here, so I'm not gonna do that. But sometimes it's good to do if you can't see, if they're moving around a lot and they don't stay in place. So what I'm doing is putting it all the way down there and then sticking this back on, and I'm gonna let it sit for about 24 hours. So now we're gonna have to do this one. So we got them all ready to go, and we're just gonna let it dry for about 24 hours.